welcome back to the channel. Today meet the all-new 2025 Renault Captur, a stylish, tech-packed, and efficient compact SUV that's ready to take on the urban jungle and beyond. In this video, we'll explore its exterior, interior, performance, and give our final verdict on whether it's the right SUV for you. Exterior. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Renault Captur gets a fresh new look with a sharper front grille, slimmer LED headlights, and a more dynamic stance. Renault's signature C-shaped LED lighting gives it a bold presence on the road. The redesigned front bumper and sculpted hood add to its sporty appeal. From the side, you'll notice a more aerodynamic profile, with flowing lines that improve efficiency. Renault offers a range of two-tone paint options and stylish alloy wheels, now available in 18-inch designs. At the back, the Captur gets a new LED taillight signature, a revised bumper, and a more pronounced roof spoiler, enhancing its dynamic look. Interior. Now let's step inside and check out the interior. Renault has truly stepped up its game with the 2025 Captur's interior. The materials feel more premium, with soft touch surfaces, refined stitching, and customizable ambient lighting. The centerpiece of the cabin is the 10-inch digital driver display and an upgraded 9.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Renault's latest OpenR-Link software. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come as standard, along with a premium Harman Kardon sound system in higher trims. The floating center console houses a sleek new e-shifter for the automatic transmission, along with a wireless charging pad and improved storage space. Space remains a strong point for the Captur, offering class-leading rear legroom and a flexible boot that expands from 536 liters to 1,275 liters with the seats folded down. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Captur comes with a range of powertrain options, including petrol, mild hybrid, and a more advanced e-tech full hybrid for better fuel efficiency. The hybrid version combines a 1.6-liter engine with an electric motor, producing a combined 145 horsepower while delivering up to 60 mpg. For those who want more punch, Renault has also introduced a turbocharged 1.3-liter mild hybrid variant with up to 160 horsepower and a smooth shifting 7-speed automatic gearbox. The ride quality is improved thanks to better suspension tuning and enhanced sound insulation, making city and highway drives more comfortable. With multiple driving modes, including Eco, Sport, and My Sense, you can tailor the Captur's performance to your liking. And when it comes to safety, Renault doesn't disappoint. Safety and assistance features. The Captur is packed with advanced ADAS features, including checkmark adaptive cruise control, checkmark lane keeping assist, checkmark 360-degree camera with parking sensors, checkmark traffic sign recognition, checkmark automatic emergency braking, and for tight parking spots, the automatic park assist takes the stress out of maneuvering in the city. Conclusion. Is the 2025 Renault Captur worth it? So, is the 2025 Renault Captur the best compact SUV for you? If you're looking for a stylish, tech-packed, and fuel-efficient crossover with great practicality and a premium feel, the Captur is definitely worth considering. With its latest hybrid tech and improved comfort, it's a serious contender in its segment. What do you think of the 2025 Renault Captur? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car reviews and automotive content.